Hello friends, welcome to this channel, Center of Excellence Pharma 4. Objective of this channel is various emerging technologies like cloud, artificial intelligence, big data, industrial internet of things, robotics, blockchain, how these various technologies can help to resolve the industry process challenges and how industry can achieve business excellence, which can lead to Industry 4 standards. So as I mentioned it over there, the cloud is the most important contributing factor in these emerging technologies, and various enterprises are looking for migrating their present legacy system solutions to a cloud computing platform. So in this video, I'm trying to discuss about how this cloud computing adoption should be there. Now, how you should draw the roadmap. So let's look at it this particular diagram. On the x-axis, I have shown what you should plan for the 6 months, 18 months, 30 months, 6 months, and the long-term thing. And what are the business agilities are there actually. The most important thing is you should define your business strategy. What are those business drivers are there? Like whether you want to focus first onto customer centricity or connecting with the customers or demand planning side, or you want to connect onto various manufacturing location, or you want to get integrated with your suppliers. So what is that which as a business you want to focus it out? And what benefits, what timeline you expect it. It depends upon whether you are into a product, whether you are into services. Depending on that, you have to decide and find out what strategy you want to adopt to it. Then comes the adoption of the various cloud platforms. There are various options are available. So virtualization, you should really look at it and think about it. And the various private clouds which are available, whether you want to have your cloud premise in your own premises, your hosted premises, your virtual premises, you integrate it both private as well as public clouds. So what is that? No, whether you want to have that hybrid clouds or something like that, which you want to decide it, you should consider the pros and cons by discussing with the different cloud service providers who are offering it. That should be your next step once you decide about application which you want to move to cloud. Then come the third step is the mid-term. What I had shown it over there is the 36 month. You can start with one process, one application, and then start moving, getting integrated and all that. And I had just shown a cost saving which you can probably achieve it. This, of course, depends upon your requirement, your cloud service provider is offering. I had already discussed about the various business models, either a consultancy, infrastructure, or a service providers, the different models which are there mentioned into some other video, which can help you to decide. And once you decide onto that, then you start thinking and migrating this particular application. So you move your application from the legacy system or a silo-based system into a cloud system. And once you adopt to that, your all processes are stabilized, your all stakeholders are familiar, and they get the desired results, reports, data onto their mobile or wherever they are there, and that gives the confidence of adoption of the cloud. Then you think about moving to the last stage or a last phase, actually, which is a long-term thing. It's a continuous improvement process, actually. Then you set up your own business cloud and create all those services by integrating with your revenue models and all that. And this is a continuous process. You go on improving, refining your business processes. You need to have maybe business process re-engineering also. When you start, like if I give you a small example, as you go on integrating with your customers, today you are only maybe sharing only its order information, delivery information, but then you can also start thinking about building up customer data. You move one more step further by integrating with artificial intelligence and big data and do analysis of the customer, or you predict his expected requirements, or you identify its satisfaction level. So you go on innovation. That is what I mentioned it over there as a business innovation. And it's a continuous process. So that's why I mentioned it over there as a long-term thing. As you go on building up all that, you are not just on accepting or adopting the cloud technologies or capabilities, but you are also integrating with artificial intelligence, or you may even go a step further by integrating with IoTs also, collecting the data from the sensors, maybe into your distribution or logistic systems and all that, but which also gives you indirect and maybe in some cases direct satisfaction or building up a better relationship with the customers also. So it's a process, so which you can go on adopting it, and that is where I thought I will share with you to give you a long-term view about cloud adoption. Hope I gave you some idea. If you need more information, inputs, do feel free to contact us. Our domain and technology teams will help you to achieve business excellence. Our contact details are shown over here. Feel free to subscribe our channel so that you will get more knowledge sharing to achieve business excellence. Thank you.